Okay, good morning everyone. How are you today? I asked you already, right? Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, so what day is it today? Today is Wednesday? No, yesterday was Wednesday. And today is Thursday, right? Thursday. And the date is 10. Okay, so this month is December. Okay, and what year this year? 2020. So Thursday I spent. What day is it? Okay, so what month is this month? Yeah, and what year this year? 2020. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you 4 words. Okay, do you want to see all of this? Okay, so now let's guess. It's a kind of animal like that makes sound. What animal is it? Okay, what animal is it? Is it lion? Okay, good job. Is it lion? And one more. It's a kind of, I think it's a fruit, like it has color yellow. You want to see? I'm gonna show you, and then you know it. It's not an orange, everyone. It's not an orange. Okay, what is it? Okay, so now listen to teacher. Okay, now repeat. Just listen to teacher first. Okay, lion, lemon, lion, lemon. Your turn. One more time. Lemon. One more time. Okay, so is it lion? Lemon means it's not orange, everyone. In Khmer we call krochma. Okay, lion, lemon. You see another one? Lion, lemon. Okay, 2 words more. What is it? Okay, so now listen to teacher. Okay, left. One more time. Left. Lamb. Left. Your turn. Okay, good. One more time, everyone. Okay, so now listen to teacher again, okay? Lion. Lemon. Left. Lamb. Lion means that right? And lemon means like orange. It's not orange. Is it lemon? Left. Is it slug? And lamb it means open. Okay, so now I point and tell me what is it. Okay, lamb, lemon, left. Lamb, lion, lemon, left. One more time. Okay, so now schoolboy. Hello, schoolboy. Okay. Left, lemon. Okay, hello, schoolgirl. So now schoolgirl. Left, lion. Okay, thank you for today, everyone. So this subject I just review about only 4 words. Okay. Thank you. See you next video.